Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. It's been 2 weeks I didn't upload a new video to this YouTube channel, and this is because I was working on my first online course. It's called Affiliate Success on YouTube: How to Promote Hostinger Like a Pro for Beginners. Now that I finished working on this course, I'm currently working on the sales page. When I opened my inbox to see the YouTube comments waiting for reply, I found that I have more than 60 comments to reply. And the first comment I opened, it was on one of my old YouTube videos called How to Add Alternative Text in Hostinger Website Builder. The comment says about how to do this for product images. It's literally the most important thing and cannot find anywhere how to do it. In the product section, there's nowhere we can add it. Is it that we can't? I cannot believe it's not an option. Like, it's literally the most important thing when selling products. Like, if I am looking for a shirt, for example, I will always use image Google or get Google Images shirt. But if we can't add alternative text to our images, how are they gonna rank high if at all? This is so frustrating. What he's asking about in another way, how to add alternative text or alt text to my product images in order to rank high. This is Hostinger Website Builder, and let's try to edit a product. Let's add a new photo, images. Let's pick an image. This is my new course logo just created yesterday. If I upload a photo to my store on Hostinger Website Builder, there is no option to add an alternative text. This is the feature to edit background. This is the delete icon, and here the little or the icon as the center is to reorder your photos. As a little solution that you can use to rank your product photos higher is to use the description to add a new photo, just like that. Click on add media, add your product photo, double click it, and here write your alternative text. For example, for this photo, it's the course logo. Click on insert, and now save your update. After updating your store product, always go to your website to update it and publish your latest changes to your store. Click on update from this corner, and now let's visit our website. Let's go to the store. This is the updated product. This is for the product photos. As you can see, there is no alternative text, but if I hover with the mouse over this course logo, as you can see, this is the alternative text. To reply to our first comment, what you need to do is to start adding your product photos in the description, or you can add them both in the product photos and also in the description. This way you are giving the viewer or your website visitors photos that they can see in the product photo slider, and for the Google search engines, they have photos that they can crawl and rank high. I hope that answers your comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and a comment, and see you in the next video. Thank you.